Switch it up. Nintendo Switch Messenger Bag unboxing and my review on it. Yes, I mean, I'm really very much excited to be honest with you. This I bought for 39 US dollar. If you wanna support my channel, buy this one from my link. No one is paying me to do this review. I bought this one from my own money. All of you Nintendo Switch fanboy, I wanna give you a fly kiss. I mean, I'm talking about the fly kiss from the Breath of the Wild. Do not think wrong. Jump to the unboxing table. So now here it is, the unboxing of the messenger case for the Nintendo Switch. I mean, wow, the first impression is quite good. I mean, literally the first impression is rock solid. I mean, when I say rock solid, then literally I mean rock solid. Okay, let me take this one out. The first impression are quite good. Okay, I need to cut it off. I mean, I need this scissor. Here the scissor come. Okay, now here we go. Wow, I mean, this is amazing, beautiful looking messenger case. Okay, this come with a strap. It come with the Nintendo Switch case also. Let me put my Nintendo Switch inside. Like this. Also you can put it something like this if I'm not wrong. Yep, like this. Close it and like put inside. Okay. Okay. Is there any space for a tablet? I don't think so. You're going to fit. I mean, like 10 inch only. You can fit 8 inch. But overall, I mean, I'm literally happy with that. I am literally happy with that. Wow! Switch it up. Switch it up. Yeah. Now jump back to me. So here is the back. Literally, here is the back. I mean, I'm enjoying it. The bag is not that big, to be honest with you, but literally I'm enjoying this bag. I mean, this bag is awesome, to be honest with you. I mean, you can put a lot of stuff in this bag. I mean, literally I like this bag. You can see this is an awesome bag. This is a must buy, I think so. For 40 bucks you're getting quite good value for money. So the Legend of the Zelda, or I mean just any like the PowerA Messenger Bag, is a must buy. I can recommend it. If you wanna buy, you can buy from my link below. Bye.